Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. If you're new to the channel, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more charting and price manipulations. Do note that I'm just humble chartist and do not provide any buy or sell calls. Instead, I focus on the potential traps laid out by the market makers. Always remember the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people most of the time. So let's take a look at Tesla. Personally, I don't really like this stock as I'm still quite bearish on it. But nevertheless, the currently is it seems to be trending up. So I'll just plot it in relation to the trend. So of course you can see that Tesla found a very good support at $7, and then we saw a very bullish engulfing candle, and thereafter we had a follow through. So that's very important. When we had a bullish engulfing candle, we want to see buyers following through, so that you know that that is very genuine and the buyers are coming back. And of course you can see that once again we are being supported here. So we are in a sense creating a higher low. So that's a good sign. So the next few resistance that I'm watching for Tesla is actually this resistance here, somewhere about 945. So this is a very crucial resistance to break through. If we are able to break through this very strong resistance, then we may potentially continue to climb up to around next resistance I'm looking at is perhaps around 970 to 980. So this is another crucial support. So we have to break up this 945 with high volume. If we do not break out with high volume, then we may potentially just be a fake out. Thereafter, we continue to slide down further. But of course, you can see that there are also these incoming clouds here. So what these market makers tend to do, right, is that they try to push the stock just slightly above the cloud. So perhaps, the psychological resistance will be 1,000. So what they will do is they may push to about maybe 110 to 120 around these levels here. So what they do is that they'll push the stock up at this level, and then after which they may either push it back down below 1,000 to trap the breakout traders who actually took this long just above 1K. So that's what I'm actually looking at, because just above the cloud is always a very good trap for these retail investors to come in to take the longs, and also for breakout traders to come in for a quick buck. Thereafter, then they just push the stock down. Overall, I feel that Tesla is still downtrending, because I doubt we can ever hit back to these 1,002 to 1,001 levels. And currently now we're just rebounding. So on downtrend, when we are rebounding, it's just a good opportunity to actually either you get out, you take your profits if you are a short-term trader, or you just perhaps clear your position if you are stuck at the very high prices. So nevertheless, I'm looking at whether or not we are able to break out this 945 here. And if we are able to do, then we may hit to 970, or even break out to 1,000, just slightly above 1,000, which is about 1,010 and about 1,020. So yeah, I'll be watching next week. I'll be watching if we are able to clear with 945 with good volume. If we are able to clear 945 with good volume and then sustain this close above this 945, then chances of us going higher is very high. So yeah. And if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as you'll keep the uptrend channel intact. Leave in the comment section below on your thoughts on this particular stock, or if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.